Hello, hello. I am back. This is going on the third time I am recording this message. And that's part of my problem today, guys. I'm having technical difficulties with my mic, coupled with a day that has gone long work-wise and hot-wise. Our air conditioning died completely. We already knew this, and they came out today in hopes of repairing it. No, it's dead, Jim. So then it was first trying to figure out if they could repair it and back and forth with the repair people. And then we had somebody come out. So now we're replacing the whole AC system. But I had to be in on all of that because I'm here to look after Nat and to protect her interests. So we are getting a new air conditioning. I'm glad I'm not the one paying for it. Um, and it's just made a long day longer and stressful, and I'm still not confident, and I'm recording this for the third time hoping that it'll record my voice, because for some reason now suddenly the software doesn't want to work with my headset. And I need to tell you guys that I'm not doing the giveaway today. I'm going to reschedule it for tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. So July 26th, 6:30 p.m., because I'm stressing out trying to make this happen now, and I'm not doing a repeat of last week. So hopefully the third time is the charm, and this recording will work. Cross your fingers, peeps. All right. So I will see you tomorrow. And as always, never forget, we're all a little mad here, and some of us are just going off the edge right now. So come on, let's just all go mad together. All right. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.